Hello dear students, how are you all? I am your computer teacher Dhruva ma'am. So let's start today's lecture. See, today we are going to make one activity. I know computer lesson is once in a week, so it's very difficult to remember the spellings, and spellings also very little bit big and hard. Okay, so I am doing here one activity. You also do okay, and in this way you will remember the spelling properly. Okay, so let's start today's activity. Today we are going to make computer. Okay, so for that you need series craft papers, gum, fevicol, scissor, one rough notebook, okay, or book cover, then markers. We can use only black color, okay, pencil and rough papers, okay, pages like this white color pages. If you don't have, you can use last year old drawing books pages, okay. So let's start. You have to take one rough book or notebook, okay. Only first cover page you have to take. Then cut the edges little bit. See, this is fold, na? So I am cutting. See, then you have to take white color paper and you have to cover it, okay. See, like this you have to cover it. Apply fevicol. Now see student, we have cover both the sides, okay, with white plain paper. Now this is, we can keep like this, okay. So this is our monitor and this is our keyboard, okay. We are making a laptop. It is a type of computer only, okay. So this is our keyboard and this is monitor. So now we will take out your marker and we will give border. Now see, on this monitor screen of our computer you can draw small icons, okay. This is called icons. In just square you have to draw. This we are going to see in next lecture, but still just you have to prepare laptop, na. See this computer, so you have to make and keep save this lab activity, okay, because we are going to use for next lecture also. See, like this small icon also we can see downside to our screen, to our monitor, okay. And this is a wallpaper. You can keep any wallpaper here, okay. See, this is our keyboard, so we will draw here, okay. Just look at here, randomly you have to make a lines, okay. These 4 lines keep for numbers 1 2 3 4, okay. So this is for 0. Okay, here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, okay. This is slash, this is star, minus sign, here plus sign, here enter, okay. Then here you can see arrow up, down, here and there, okay. This is here shift, SHIFT, shift. This is here enter, ENTER, okay. Then here again numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and here you can draw 0, okay. Then Q W E R T Y U I O, P. Okay. A, all letters you have to write capital. D, randomly anyhow you can write, no problem. Just let your understanding this is R, keyboard. Okay. B, B and M. Okay. So this our keyboard is ready. Now downside some space is there, so you have to draw here mouse. Okay. You have to show one wire here. Okay, to our mouse, and then you have to draw mouse here. See, like this shape. One here one scrolling button is there, so you have to show. Okay, and here one button left and for right. Okay, this is our mouse. Then remaining parts also here only we will draw. Okay, see, joystick is used for playing video game, so we will draw here. Look at here, just you have to draw one standing line. Here some buttons. Okay, up, down, and one stand like this. Okay, this is joystick. The next picture we are going to draw here, that is speakers. Okay, speakers is used for listen the music, so you have to draw here two speakers. Okay, then we are going to draw here scanner and printer. Okay, scanner is, this is like this only square box. Okay, this is scanner, and same like printer also. Our print will come from here. Okay, this is our printing. So all parts you have to draw downside only, because you will revise at a time. Now we are going to label it. See, our CPU has remained, so you have to take one strip. Okay, like this, and then just make a box. Okay, and write a CPU. Just cut it and paste near our computer. Okay, now on other paper you have to write all the spelling parts of computer. Okay, or the spelling like monitor, MONITOR, MOUSE, mouse, then keyboard, KEYBOARD, keyboard after CPU, CPU after keyboard, CPU after types. Okay, scanner, joystick, speakers, printer, then types of mouse and types of keyboard also we are going to write here. Optical mouse, ball mouse, and wireless mouse. Then keyboard types also we are going to write here. QWERTY, QWERTY keyboard. Then wireless keyboard, and last one is on screen keyboard. on screen keyboard. Okay, now after that we are going to cut this. Okay, see here, just now I have cut these spellings and I have paste here on the scanner. This is keyboard, so I have paste here keyboard. This is monitor. Okay, so I have paste here monitor spelling. So daily you have to read the spelling. You have to don't only play with this computer, your little computer, just you have to read the spelling as well. Okay, now you can see here, dear student, our activity has completed. Okay, so daily you have to read the spellings and just you have to understand the concept. Okay, scanner means what? Means you have to read the spelling SCANNER, scanner. It used to scan the document. Speakers, SPEAKERS, speakers used to listen to music. Okay, like this sentence also you have to speak after reading the spelling. Okay, those children have computer already in their house, they can only paste the spelling. Okay, and those students don't have, they can prepare this laptop like this and stick the spellings and read every day. Okay, and you have to send me pics of this activity with you. Bye, have a nice day.